Welcome. In this video I will show you how to mute or unmute microphone on LENOVO Yoga Slim 7. So one way to do this is by simply pressing the F4 button, which will mute our microphone, and it will also turn on the LED indicator on the F4 button, and then pressing it once again will unmute the microphone. However, if this button doesn't do anything, you can press FN and Escape and make sure that FN lock is disabled, and then use this button freely. Other way to disable your microphone is by going to Settings. So open the Start menu, then click the gear icon. After that, you have to select System, then go to Sound. Here find the microphone icon next to your input. Click the microphone icon and this will disable your microphone. Clicking it again will re-enable it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.